After the coldest start to August on record, yes, the coldest, the heat and the humidity are back. Dominate your fantasy leagues and bets with weather-driven data. MeteoOdds gives you innovative tools, player and game weather impacts, as well as detailed forecasts you just won't find anywhere else. Join FF Plus by using my code WEATHER, that's WEATHER, and get 50% off for life. Turn forecasts into fantasy wins only at MeteoOdds.com. Hey everyone, it's meteorologist Joe Martucci here. When you look at Atlantic City International Airport, you look at the temperature so far in the month of August, it has been the coldest start on record, and records go back to 1943. We look at our departure from average, and we haven't even really been close to seasonable, except for last Wednesday. Otherwise, we've been 5 or more degrees below average, and it's not just at ACY Airport either. At the beach towns, Atlantic City has its coldest start since 1994, and Long Branch has its coldest start since 1992. Now, we are going to go to average today and then above average as we go into the rest of the week. So this will fade away quickly, but it's been a tremendously cool and probably comfortable start for many of you this month. All right, let's take a look at Tropical Storm Erin. This is the big story here. It became a tropical storm yesterday. It's still a weak tropical storm. It's moving pretty quickly to the west. It'll turn into a major hurricane, according to the National Hurricane Center, on Sunday. That's a Category 3 or greater. From there is uncertainty as to where it's going to go. More than likely, this is going to stay away from us. However, if it does near New Jersey, we are still 9 days away from any direct impact. So we're talking about the middle of next week. So whether it's a close brush by or maybe a direct landfall, we still have time for this. I'm not too concerned just yet, but it is something to monitor. All right, let's take a look at our futurecast for today. We are dry for today. No rain in sight. Just a good amount of blue sky here. That humidity, yes, is in the air as well. We take a look at what we have for our temperatures this morning. We're rising up quickly through the 70s inland and a little bit slower at the shore. Early fog in spots, especially in Atlantic and Cape May County, give way to some sunshine as winds come out of the south. That southerly wind brings in the humidity. Temperatures more seasonable for this time of the year. 89 in Hamilton, 79 over in LBI, 77 on the world-famous boardwalk in Atlantic City. Surf heights 2 to 3 feet. Water temperatures, they're staying plenty warm today. However, I will say over the next couple of days, look for a drop in the water temperatures as we start to get some upwelling, and that's colder water from the sea floor surface coming up. We go into Tuesday night, a pretty seasonable night for us. Patchy fog around. It will be muggy out there. And then as we go into Wednesday, this is the first of our 2 storm days for the week. We take a look at our futurecast, show you what's going on here in terms of any kind of precipitation. It stays mainly to our north throughout the day on Wednesday, but you see those showers and storms coming in from the west as we go into the evening hours, and from about 9 p.m. to 2 a.m., we are expecting isolated showers and storms. Not really something that's going to impact your daytime plans, but it could impact your evening plans, and temperatures go up just a little bit. We'll see a few 90s in spots. Then we go to Thursday. It's going to be a mostly cloudy day, and it's going to be a day where showers and storms are possible at any point of the day, but it's just not a washout. The stormiest places will be west of the Parkway. The shore actually looks fairly dry throughout the day, dry in terms of the rain because of the humidity, and the dew point going into that sweltering territory on Wednesday and still staying muggy as we go into Thursday. A reminder that summer is still alive and well here in New Jersey. Here's a look at our 7-day forecast. After it gets past Thursday, a splendid stretch. We could be going for another A on our Shore Summer Weekend Weather Report Card. It's getting hot and humid inland at the beaches. We get that sea breeze relief, and again, plenty of sunshine for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.